cost and maintenance. Well, if you have, all kinds of money, great. It doesn't matter, but most of us have to worry about how expensive is the equipment and how expensive is the upkeep. So the cost there, photogrammetry, is pretty good. It's probably the lower cost of the two because, even if you bought a really expensive digital camera, you may be $4,000 or $5,000 there. The software, if you get the full software, you're talking about maybe another, three, four, $5,000, a little bit of equipment. Let's say with $10,000, you got a really, really good kit. But you can also use lower cost stuff. And even on the software side, there's many options. You can get free photogrammetry software, and even a lot of the developers will get you software for a couple $100. So, for $300 or $400, you can end up with a pretty decent photogrammetry kit. And so there's no way that the laser scanner can compete. Laser scanners come in, different shapes and sizes and accuracies, but no matter what, you're always talking about, something on the order of like $20,000 to start with, right up to, 100,000 or more in terms of the equipment and everything else. Now, in terms of maintenance on the software side, many manufacturers will want you to pay for, maintenance upgrades or yearly upgrades or something like that. Well, on the laser scanning side, it is going to be more expensive, no doubt. Okay, so most laser scanner manufacturers are going to get you on the maintenance side, and it's going to be anywhere from $1,000 to a few $1,000s there. On the photogrammetry side, if you're looking at photogrammetry upgrades, it's just usually the yearly cost of the software. Also, you have to keep in mind that there's also monthly plans sometimes with the photogrammetry manufacturers. So it's usually more cost effective with photogrammetry. The other thing to consider here is maintenance on the hardware. If we're talking about a digital camera, there isn't a lot you need to do other than keeping the equipment clean, ensuring that your lenses are clean. There's no junk in the or dust and dirt inside of the camera body and that sort of thing. So you can get away with a lot, and they're very, very durable. On the laser scanner side, manufacturers are going to want you to get the instrument calibrated every year. And calibration is a big cost. It'll cost you thousands of dollars. You send it back, you lose the equipment for a little while, and there's shipping costs, there's all kinds of other things. So unfortunately, from a cost and maintenance standpoint, photogrammetry is the clear winner there. It's definitely more economical when using the laser scanner.